How do we find the middle of a linked list without knowing its length first? We could count the nodes, then walk halfway. But there is a lovely trick that does it in one pass, using 2 pointers moving at different speeds, often called the tortoise and the hare. Here is the beautiful idea. We keep 2 pointers, both starting at head. The slow pointer moves 1 node at a time. The fast pointer moves 2 nodes at a time. Because fast covers ground twice as quickly, by the time fast reaches the end of the list, slow has only gone half as far, so slow is sitting right at the middle. 1 pass, no counting needed. We start both slow and fast at head. While fast can still take 2 steps, meaning fast and its next are both real, we move slow 1 step and fast 2 steps. When fast can no longer advance, slow is at the middle, and we return its value. Let's find the middle of an odd and an even list in a live editor. A node holds a value and a link to the next node. Both pointers start together at head. Move slow by 1 and fast by 2. When fast runs out, slow is at the middle. Now let's test it and hit run. There it is. The 5-node list has middle 3, and the 4-node list gives the second of the 2 middles, also 3 here. Here is the shape. Both pointers start at head. While fast can take 2 steps, slow steps once and fast steps twice. When fast can no longer move, slow is at the middle, and we return it. This is a single pass. Fast travels the whole list while slow travels half, so together it is order end time. We use just 2 pointers. So the extra space is order 1. No second walk, no counting. 3 things. First, before moving fast 2 steps, check that fast and fast.next are both real or you will hit an error. Second, for an even length list there are 2 middles, and this version lands on the second one. And third, both pointers start at head together.